So one more thing that I would like to talk about, I guess, before I go is kind of just setting up the app in general. Um, so in iOS, there's a few little things that you should generally understand when you're using the system. This info.plist file is one of them. So inside of the info.plist file, there's just a bunch of different information about the app. Well, Apple also locks down certain things. Or one thing that we experience is there is a couple situations where there was an iOS update and it required you to add information to this info.plist file. So that might happen again, but it usually gives you like warning messages. So one of the things we had to add was this privacy Bluetooth blah blah blah. Because the app uses Bluetooth to connect to the Double 2 robot, it has to explain why it's using Bluetooth now, because Apple wants all of their app developers to make sure their users understand what's happening to their data. So we had to add this parameter, and it says like, why is it using Bluetooth? And then the other thing that's kind of just general configuration for the app is if you click on this BLE data viewer, like this main drop down thing where everything else is under, it'll give you this page. So in this page, it has a bunch of important build configuration stuff. So for example, you can set the target iOS version for the app. You can set just different orientation information and whatnot. Custom app icon. We never got around to that, but one of the really important things that is sometimes kind of confusing is this frameworks section. Frameworks, libraries, and embedded content. If you are missing any of these things, then the application can run when it's connected to the computer for some reason. But if you disconnect the computer and all of these are not there, you will need, then the application will just crash and it will not give you any warning message. So for every framework that you're using, you have to have it listed in this list right here. So if you add a new framework, make sure you go, or if you start using a new framework, make sure you go back to this list under this main menu here and you add it. One of the last things that I didn't really talk about was the video thing. So to actually run the video files have to be on the device. And to get the video files on the device, you have to copy them. And that is part of the, I think, build phases or something. Yeah, copy bundle resources. Yeah, so in this build phases menu here, in order to actually have the videos there, we needed to copy them manually to our application. And that is done in this last step of copy bundles resources in the build phases. So to actually get the videos there, you need a new folder called videos. Show in Finder. Yeah, I'm just going to do that. So BLE data viewer. I'm going to make a new folder, or actually it's already there. But yeah, so I'll do that again. If you double click or not double click, if you right click the BLE data viewer window and you click show in Finder, which is their file explorer, double click into it, there will be this videos folder, and this videos.txt file kind of tells you what you have to do. But basically, inside of this videos folder is where you have to put the videos that you're going to run. So for example, I'm just going to copy this location 1 video and the location 2 video that I made in location 3. So those are being copied right now, and yeah, that's done. So now that those are actually in my videos folder, when you run the app on the iPad, all of those videos will be copied over, and they will be able to and the application will be able to find those videos when it's running. So if you don't put the videos in this folder, then it's not going to be able to find the videos to play. And yeah, right now it's set up so that the video name is just something.mov, and inside of each location that you're visiting, it has this video name. So mechanical would be mechanical.mov. You have to put it in the videos folder, or else it won't be able to find it and it won't ever play any videos. So yeah, once the videos are there, it should take a bit longer to upload. Yeah, so as you can see, the installation process is a bit slower now because it has to copy the videos that I added. But when that's done, it should be able to, yeah, so it just opened. And now it should be able to play any videos without any problems. As long as it's at the right location, at the right angle in the stop mode, like we discussed at the beginning. So anyway, that's how you add videos, and that's it.